Here's how to get the beta iOS on your iPhone. Now, if you want new releases of all of the beta iOS before it's released to the general public, I'm going to show you how to do that. They just changed it in iOS 16.4. So let's open up Safari and I'm just going to type in iOS beta. Now we can go to the Apple beta software program here. And it walks you through a few different options you have in terms of participating in the iOS beta. So you can hit that Get Started button here. And then if we scroll down, it says Enroll your iOS device right here. So I can just tap that. Now the new thing is that now iOS beta devices are enrolled as part of your Apple ID. So it's associated with your Apple ID. So what you'll do is basically go down and hit download profile if you have an iOS 16.3 or earlier, or if you have iOS 16.4, what you're going to do is basically just go into the settings on your iPhone. So basically previous to this, you're going to ask to be logged in to your Apple ID. It'll basically trigger that profile as allowing beta installs. And then let's get out here and go into our settings. We'll tap on General and then Software Update. Now, a new thing just in 16.4 is now you have beta updates right here. So I can tap on that and basically I can turn on iOS 16 public beta basically releases. So whenever a public beta is released, I'll be able to download it and install it on my phone. You don't need to download a profile onto your device like you used to have to. Basically, it's all built in to the software updates on your iPhone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.